Hi friends, this is Mahmoud Sheikh, and from past few videos I'm working on developing a classified website using Laravel framework. In my last video I completed the functionality of displaying specific ads whenever I click on any of this category. Okay, so if I click on this cars and bikes, then I can see the advertisements of advertisement related to only cars and bikes, and if I click on mobiles and tablets, then I will see the ads of mobiles and tablets. Okay, so now in this video I will complete the functionality of searching any ad. Okay, if we are having if users have published some hundreds and thousands of ads, then out of those ads, if I want to search any ad based on the product, then I can search each and every ad based on the product. Okay, so now let's do that. Okay, so for doing that I have to first set a route. Okay, so let's go to web.php and need to, okay, I will just copy this. Okay, copy. Okay, and to search ads by product name. Okay, and here I will change the route as product and search. Okay, so this is my URL. Okay, and I want a post request, and here the name of the function as search product. Okay, so this is the name of the function which I am going to create inside the controller. Okay, and now I will okay, I will go to my controller and I will create this function. Okay, public function. Okay, search product, and then request. Okay, and let's go to our layout file, because this search product text box is present inside our app.blade.php, which is present inside a layout folder of resources. Okay, so let's go to resources and then views and then layouts, and we have a file called app.blade.php, and here I have a search box. Okay, search input box. Okay, so to this I have given a name as search on product. Okay, and I want it to be as a required field. Okay, this field has to be filled before clicking on submit. Okay, so now I will okay, so here inside I have kept this text box inside a form, and to this form, with this form I'm sending a post request. Okay, inside this form I have an action attribute. Inside this action attribute I need to set the URL, okay, to which I want to send a post request. Okay, URL, then product search. Okay, product search, this is the URL. Okay, so now okay, now I have set a URL inside my form. Now I will come back to my controller function and I will try to display some message. I am here. Okay, so now let's save it, and now let's just test it. Let's refresh. Okay, and now I will type readme, and when I click on search, okay, so it's not displaying the output because I have not used this CSRF field below this form. Okay, so now let me just go back and refresh the page. Okay, readme. Okay, now when I click on search, then you will see it's displaying me I'm here message, and the route gets URL gets changed to product/search. This is the URL to which we have set the route here inside our web.php. Okay, so this is product/search, and the same URL I have used in my form, in my action attribute. Okay, product/search. Okay, so when inside the URL address bar there is this address, then I am calling this search product function. Okay, so that I have written inside this web.php. okay, so whenever user is on the product/search URL, I am calling this search product function present inside users controller. Okay, so now to remove it. Okay, and then I need to use an if condition. If $request of get, okay, and then search on product. Okay, whatever name I have given to my search text box, I will use this to refer the value of that search text box. Okay, and then query, and then I will copy this, put it here. Okay, and then I will just print it, query. Okay, so now here I'm trying to access the value which I'm going to enter inside the text box while searching, and I'm displaying that value. Okay, so let me just refresh. Okay, readme. Okay, so now when I click on search, see the same value is displaying here because I'm accessing that particular text box value. Okay, so now I have got the value. So now I need to copy the same code whatever I have written here. I just copy this, and I will, because I need to pass the details of the categories, and I need to create a variable as a data. Okay, equals to db table advertisements. Okay, from the advertisements I need to get the advertisement of entered product name. Okay, now for that I need to from where. Okay, where, okay, product name, where product name like, okay, percent dot percent. Okay, and query, and then get. Okay, so from the advertisements table I am getting the details of that ad who has the product name as readme. Okay, so here from this table I am fetching the details of a particular ad which has the product name as readme. Okay, so that readme value is been readme text will be stored inside this query, and I am passing this readme text in var clause. Okay, so now this will return me the data. Okay, so let me just echo tag. Okay, and then print r dot data. Okay, so now let me just show you that details. Okay, or refresh. Okay, now again type readme, and now when I search, then you will notice, okay, call to undefined method. Okay, var. Okay, here some spelling mistake. Save it, and let's go back, refresh. okay, readme, and then search. Okay, see, now you can see I'm getting the post which has the product, I'm getting the advertisement which has the product name as readme. Okay, so now if I enter car, then it will display me the ad. Okay, okay, product name is there. Okay, I think there must, okay, there is no ad with the product name as car, so I will change it to do. Okay, so there is an ad with the product name as do, so now you can see it's displaying that ad which has the product name as do. Okay, so now I'm searching based on the product name. Okay, so now I have successfully done that. Now I need to pass this data to view. Okay, so for that I will just copy this and I'll put it here, and now I will create a view. Okay, and I will create that view inside my users folders, and then publish ads folder. Inside publish ads folder, okay, I will right click and then click on new file and save it as search on product dot blade dot php. Okay, and okay, so now, okay, let me just come here. Okay, let me just delete it. Okay, I will create that file inside categories folder. Okay, click on new file and then save it as search on product dot blade dot php. Okay, so inside my categories folder I will create search on product file, and then I will go to cars bikes ads.blade.php, and then I will just copy the entire HTML and PHP coding of this file, and I will paste inside my search product. Okay, and now what I will do is I will change it to categories, and then I need to change the name of the view search on product. Okay, and I have to pass this data also to my search on product view. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, so now I have passed the data of categories and information of ad to my search on product view. Okay, and here I need to collect the data. Okay, so here I have written already, a code has been written, so here I just need to change the variable from cars bikes to data, because that data, this is the data I am passing and the same data I am referring here. Okay, now yes, save it, and now let's refresh. Okay, now you can see it's displaying me ad which has the product name as do. Okay, and I will type readme, and now it will display me the product with the product title as readme. Okay, so now if I want to search washing machine, okay, so there must be a product. Yes, there is a product as washing machine. Okay, and when I try to search that, then you will see I got that product. Okay, so now our search functionality is perfectly working fine. Okay, and now, okay, now let me just go back here. Okay, let me just put a p tag to display not found message. Okay, if any product is not present in the table. Okay, I cancel, and then now yes, let me just go to my users page. Okay, and now when I type let us say laptop, okay, and now when I search, then it will display me a messages not found, because the product name as laptop in my database. Okay, so now we have successfully developed the functionality of searching product by the name of the product. Okay, so now this is everything about developing the functionality of searching in our classified website. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys, and thanks for watching.